What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to be making some fried potatoes with smoked sausage and veggies and that good stuff. So come in, check out what we got, and then we're gonna get it going. All right, so we got three jalapenos cut up in pieces. We got red and green pepper, bell pepper cut up right here. We got potatoes, we got onion, and we got two like sausages just cut up into pieces, smoked sausage. So that's all we got. Let's get it going. All right, so we got the Blackstone nice and warmed up. I put a little oil down already. Let's put a little butter down with it. Yeah, I'm gonna spread this around. I want this nice and hot for these taters because they're gonna bring the temp down once they get on there, because they're still a little cold and there's a little bit of water on them. Oh, got me. All right, I'm gonna put a little more oil down over that. I'm gonna put salt and pepper. Alright, now let's toss it around. Trying to get as much oil on everything as I can. Stuff is really hot. Let's just get it all over here. I'm going to get these going like this. Try and flip them. Try and get at least every piece touching. Yep, just like so. And then I'm just gonna let them cook and fry up for a second. And then I'm gonna mix them all about, dome them up. All right, so these have been frying up for a couple minutes now. Let's just bring it all in. Oh yeah, getting some nice color action on there. All right, now, I'm gonna throw a little, I forgot to put this in the beginning here, but I'm gonna throw some Louisiana Cajun on there. Get that. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic salt. All right. Now, mix them up again. Alright. I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning closer to the end. But the other stuff's going to have seasoning too, so it's not really hurting nothing. Alright, now let's just go ahead. I got the two ends are on low, and actually this one I'm going to put on low as well. I'm going to throw the dome over. Actually, I'm going to throw a little bit more butter. Get that in there. Now, dump them up. Spread that around. We're gonna put that right over there. Let's clean up this a little bit. Just get some of that, little bit of that tater off there. And now, let's go with the veggies. Actually, we can probably go with everything now. Forgot to put oil down. Do a little bit of that. Yeah, you know we like some veggies with our stuff. Jalapenos. Alright. Alright, this is looking good. Chop up some of them onions. There we go. Man, that's smelling good. Alright, I'm gonna move this stuff over to this side. Now I still got... Alright, so this burner is on medium. Let's turn that to like a medium low. This one's on low. Let's see what we're cooking at here. 377. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil down right here. Let's get this sausage on here. Now this sausage it's already pre-cooked, so we're basically just warming it up. Alright. Ooh, that smells good. There we go. Alright, we're gonna let that fry up. Keep that good. Let's check on the potatoes over here. Ooh, buddy. Oh, man, look at that. Alright, I'm going to turn the two middle burners off. I'm going to leave these two outside burners on medium-low. Let's put a little Cajun over here on the meat. Let's get it over on these veggies. Let's get some garlic salt. Ooh, buddy. Alright. Right over a little bit. Oh yeah. Yep. This sausage is looking and smelling amazing. With as much food as other food that we have, we probably could have used a whole nother sausage. Yeah, let's go ahead and mix the veggies in with the sausage now. Alright, this stuff is done. So I'm going to turn this burner off. I'm going to move everything over there. No, don't want to lose. Don't lose the veggies. Alright, now let's give these taters a test. Make sure they're done. I think they're done. They look like it. Let's get that one. You know it's gonna be hot. You know it is. I'm gonna put them under the dome for 2 more minutes with some more butter, and then those are gonna be perfect. Yep. Alright, so as you can see, everything is done. So I did put a little bit more seasoning on these taters, so let's just flip them about. Ow. Let's just flip them around real quick. Mix it up. Actually, shoot, let's just go ahead and just dump it right on there. I'm turning all the burners off. Ooh, man, this smell is amazing. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's plate this stuff up, y'all. Look at that. That just looks amazing. A little bit more, a little bit more. Alright, let's taste this. Alright, y'all, we're all done here. Let's give this a try. Let's go with some sausage. Let's get a tater. Let's get some veggies. You know I want a jalapeno in there. Man, them potatoes are so good. They're perfectly cooked. You got that butter taste and that creaminess. The veggies are perfectly done. They're not overcooked. They're not undercooked. You got a perfect crunch on that. You got a kick of the Cajun sauce or seasoning at the end there. Ooh, buddy. This one might make the weekly rotation. This is that good. Oh, this smoked sausage, and it's just, you know, the pre-cooked smoked sausage. Just cut it up, throw it on there. You basically just heat it up and you're good to go, but I like a little char on mine. So there you have it, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.